Pyramid spiritual societies movement is equal to Kabir movement. Eh? So, Kabir is a very, very great spiritual scientist. Okay. And India's essence, India's heart, India's brain is in Kabir. Kabir is the quintessence of India's heart, India's brain, India's vision, India's mission. All these things, if you read Kabir, you will understand. So, the Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement is nothing other than the Kabir movement. And what are Kabir's two main points? No rituals, no karma kanda, no puja. And Pyramid Spiritual Society movement also no puja. No Vigraha Radhana, no Vyakti Puja, no man worship, no Guru worship. Understand? No Patthar worship, no Murti worship, no Vigraha worship, no worship. Our Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement is also no worship of anything, anybody. No God's worship, no Guru's worship, and no person's worship, no idol's worship. Very, very staunch, great master against all worships. Muhammad was also against worship. People were worshipping so many before Muhammad came. He said, remove all this worship. So much idolatry was there. He said, remove all those idols. Only Nirguna. Kabir also Nirguna. Buddha came, no puja, no Vigraharadhana. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Arya Samaj Sthapak, no puja, no Vigraharadhana. Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement is also no Vigraharadhana, no Guru Aradhana, no Daiva Aradhana, no God Aradhana. No puja. That's a very, very strong element, very, very strong element of Kabir. And that is the truth. We are ourselves gods. Aham Brahmasmi. And you are a god. We are all equal. Neither I am greater than you, nor you are greater than me. Buddha is not greater than me. I am not greater than Buddha. Nobody is greater than you. All are equal. So, no pradhana, no puja. Kabir, no puja. Yes, sir? So, and then the second point, greatest point in Kabir is Mamsa Bittibidi. No killing of animals and eating the flesh. Kabir denounces those people who are eating meat like anything. इतना गाली देता है उनको लोग, है ना? गाली देते ही रहता. Simply scolding all the people who are eating meat and doing puja. That's what it is. These are the two most fundamental things. He has taken up those fundamental things and dedicated his life for those two fundamental things. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement also the same thing. No puja, no mamsahara. Puja bittibidi. Three things bittibidi. Bolo, three bittibidi. Moru bittibidi. Nooru illa moru. Moru. One is puja bittibidi. One is mamsahara bittibidi. Third bittibidi is doctor bittibidi. Okay, this Kabir did not know. Understand? Many of the people, spiritual people, don't know about self-healing and all those things. Okay, but pyramid, spiritual social movement, apart from these Kabir's two bittibidis, one more bittibidi, doctor bittibidi, Aushadhi bittibidi. Be ready to die. Understand? Be ready to die. Understand? Why we are ready to die? Because we know that there is no death. If there is death, I'll be the last person to. Okay. No doctor, no medicine, no puja, no meat, no fish, no. In Bengal, if you go, Swamiji, we don't eat meat. We are pure vegetarians. What do you eat? Only fish. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is going on eating fish. Very stupid of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Understand? How can you eat fish? They think they are vegetarian. They think it's a Jala Pushpa. That's what they say. They believe like that, Very funny. All the Bengalis, they believe that they are pure vegetarians, sir. Every day only fish we eat. Yeah? See, that poor fellow is swimming, playing in the water. You catch hold of it. Put a hook. Put a hook. Then, oh, I earned this fish. Did you earn that fish? Is that your food? What kind of? So, West Bengal, very difficult. And all they say, God gave us this food for us. God meant these things to be our food. No. Kabir, poor man, he fought and fought and fought. We are also fighting and fighting and fighting. Moru bittibidi, one is puja bittibidi, second is mamsahara bittibidi. People used to ask me, why are you not talking about this madhya drinks? I said, your choice. Bidi, your choice. Okay, bidi or madhya, you are not killing anybody. Okay, but if you drink every day madhya, you are gone with the wind. You know what happens to liver and all those things, liver damage. So, if you take this much, nothing is going to happen. But if you go every day this much, everything will happen. Yeah? So, there is no himsa of another prani there. So, we are against meat eating until the last person on this earth also, human being also, until that fellow becomes a vegetarian. Until that time, our work continues. This Kabir work continues. This PSSM work continues. This Mahavir's work continues. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Okay? So, and what will happen also? No person will do any puja in the future. We have all stopped our puja. Yes or no? We were doing puja. Never. When you were angry? No, that's what I'm saying. Reduced it. Because of my wife is. That is correct. Okay. When I first came into meditation, my wife was doing all puja to Raghavendra Swami. Lot of puja. Then After 5 years, I came to meditation. Then she stopped that puja and came to meditation. It takes time. Okay. Old habits die hard. Next time. But they have to die. Old habits have to die. New habits have to be inculcated. They will be inculcated. I am dead against doctors and medicines. But some things I go. For example, all my teeth have fallen. So I have artificial teeth. For that I go to a dentist. Okay. My eyes, these both are gone. So we go to a surgeon to have that eye specialist. Yeah. You put, what do you put there?
Contact.
Yeah. So that is not actually medicine. That's only carpentry. Eye carpentry, bone carpentry, that's okay. Teeth carpentry. Okay. They give me medicines. Hey, Swamiji, you have to take. I said, give me medicines and throw them in the dustbin. Okay. So, these, any bone setting up, all these things, okay. So, but headache, doctor, stomachache, doctor, this fellow eating more every day. He is going to a doctor, give me something. नींद नहीं आ रहा है, sleeping, doctor. What stupid nonsense. That's what we mean when we say no doctor, no medicine. Understand? Three things you have to leave and three things you have to get. Understand? So, puja bitti bidi, dhyana hidi. Hidi. Okay. Take dhyana, catch dhyana. Okay. And then there is swadhyaya. Read books. I have read maximum number of books. That's why I have got maximum amount of knowledge. Energy comes from meditation. Knowledge comes from swadhyaya. Wisdom comes from sajjana sangatya. Understand? Understand? When you listen to everybody's experience, Dr. Shobha, what have you done? I have done meditation. Then I am now teaching meditation to all my patients. Oh, Satyanarayanji, what are you doing? I was doing something. Then I came into meditation. I am only from Kanakapura. Somehow I got this. I am now editor of Dhyana Kasturi. Oh. Premnath, some business in Adoni. Once he came to meditation, all business bitbidi, only Dhyana Prachara, Dhyana Bodha. Okay. He goes to America, only there also Dhyana Prachara. See, now when we listen to all these stories, that is, we get wisdom. Knowledge, information comes from Swadhyaya. What Vivekananda has done, Ramakrishna Paramahansa has done. He had Kalika Darshan, he had third eye open. So, you can also have your third eye open. Vivekananda became champion of Advaita. You can also become a champion. What is Advaita? Okay. What you read Bhagavad Gita, then you know many things. You read Annie Besant's life autobiography, great autobiography. How many people have read Annie Besant's autobiography here? Raise your hands. One. Only one. Two. That's great. How many people have read Yogananda Paramahansa's autobiography? Yogi? Okay. How many people have read Swami Rama's autobiography? Living with the Himalayan. See. Lobsang Rampa books, how many? Yeah. So, when you read all these books, what happens? Oh, he has done so much work, he has acquired all these things, he left his job, but he is happy. Judy Satori, she is here. I have read a book on Judy Satori. sunshine before the dawn. What is it? 100,000 years back, how she came from other systems to Earth to develop all these things. Her autobiography 1 lakh years back. Not in this lifetime. Her autobiography of what she did 1 lakh years back, coming from a Lyra planet to the Earth planet, all those things are there in that book. You read Einstein, how much spiritual he is, we will understand. You have to read all the books. The more you read books, the more knowledge you will have, the more information you will have. Information is power. Knowledge is great power. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಂಗತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮುಖತ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ, ಮುಖತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ. ಗ್ರಂಥಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ, ಮುಖತಃ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಂಗತ್ಯ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. But Mukata is far more important. So in Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, Sajjan Sangatya is very, 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 very important. Every day we do some Sajjan Sangatya. Today we have done some Sajjan Sangatya through Satyanarayan ji and Dr. Shobha Madam. That's how you get wisdom. Knowledge, information comes from Swadhyaya. Great knowledge, great information comes from Swadhyaya, because only very, very great people write books. And great wisdom comes from Sajjana Sangatya. That's why Shankaracharya said, Trijagati Sajjana Sangati Reka Bhavati Bhavarnava Tarane Nauka. Bhavarnava, from this Dukkha Sagara, from this Bhava Sagara, that which takes you, makes you cross this Bhavasagara is Sajjana Sangati Reka. Only Sajjana Sangatya. Somebody will say, I did not have any children for 10 years, 12 years. Then somebody came, he taught us meditation. Now I have baby, I have children. You see, I had a lot of problems, cancer. Everything went away when I came into meditation. So, 3 bitti-bidi, 3 hidi. Okay? Puja bitti-bidi, Mamsa bitti-bidi, Aushadhi bitti-bidi. Surgery and medicine bitti-bidi, doctor bitti-bidi, bhai, doctor. And dhyana, swadhyaya, mattu, sajjana sangatya. So, when I first started this teaching about 20 years back, I used to always speak about these 3 pakats, 3 chores. That was my usual class. Raghuram, you remember, in those days, these 3, that's 3, Premnath, Onagada. You see, they are the whole essence. Okay. For every small thing, don't go to Ayurvedic doctor, don't go to allopathic doctor, don't go to homeopathic doctor, don't go to naturopathy doctor, don't go to yoga doctor, don't go to anybody for any small things. Go to your own self. Go to your own breath. And if you have to pay for something through your disease, you should gladly pay for it. Pyramid Spiritual Society, the movement is nothing but Kabir plus something more, called as no doctor, no medicine, plus lot of meditation, pyramid energies, so much reading, modern reading is there available. In those days, Swadhyaya, it was not possible, isn't it? Very limited Swadhyaya. Now we have unlimited Swadhyaya. And Sajjana Sangatya, pyramids, PSSM is unlimited Sajjana Sangatya. That's the greatest point of PSSM. We always want to listen to others' experiences. We are so very happy. Our whole time is spent in listening to others' experience, everyone's experiences. That's how you become a saint like Kabir. You leave tree, catch a tree, you are Kabir, you are Buddha, you are everybody. No karma kanda. Your father dies, mother dies, okay, dies, bye bye, tata. No karma kanda. No fifth day, third day, fourth day. What do you do? Oh, that Atma should be in Shanti. That Atma is happy, this Atma is in Ashanti. When my Guru was there in the physical body, I used to go there daily. Once he left the body, okay, bye bye, okay. I don't keep the photo of my Guru in my pocket always. No, gone is gone. When he's there, out of sight, out of mind. Dr. Shobha thinks that Patriji always thinks about me. I never think about you. I think about you only when I am here. But once out of sight, out of mind. Guru ho, koi bhi ho. Understand? But kindly think about me always. So, Kabir, this is Kabir Bhavan. Tomorrow, Dhyana Kasturi, main issue on whole of Kabir. Tomorrow we are going to release it. Let us give a big clap for Dhyana Kasturi magazine, especially the Kabir issue. Tomorrow early morning we are going to release the book there. And remember this point. Since PSSM is Kabir, you have to read Kabir books, very important.